days, almond milk is pretty common. In fact, there's a wide array of dairy-free milk available to us at the grocery store. One milk you may not have heard of that's super easy to make yourself is pumpkin seed milk. You heard me right, we're gonna make milk out of pumpkin seeds. Hi, I'm Christine Waltermeyer, and this is Christine's Natural Kitchen, where I show you how to make delicious food that happens to be healthy. If you're new here, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to find out when new videos are released every week. Okay, let's get milking those pumpkin seeds. Or if you choose to use nuts, this is 1/2 cup of hazelnuts that I soaked overnight in a cup of water. This is 1/2 cup of pumpkin seeds that were soaked in 1 cup of water overnight. I reserved the soak water, but I'm going to have to add additional water because I want to have about 1.5 cups of liquid, which will result in a really creamy thick milk. If you want it a little thinner, you can use more like 2 cups of water. So add the 1 cup of pumpkin seed soak water. And now I'm adding an additional 1/2 cup. I know this says 1 cup, but it's 1/2 cup of that, of water. I'm not adding anything to this seed milk, but if you want to, you could put a pitted date in there for sweetness, or a little touch of vanilla, or even a little pinch of sea salt. And then just go ahead and blend it. Okay, so now that I've blended it, it's a nice creamy milkshake thick consistency. So what I have here is a nut milk bag. You can just use also any nylon bag or even cheesecloth, but this is a special nut milk bag, and it's great because you can actually just wash it and reuse it. So they last a long time and they're very sturdy. I do recommend investing in one of these if you plan to make a lot of plant-based milks. And then I just take a plastic container like this and put my nut milk bag right over it like so. Pour in my pumpkin seed milk. And this is where you just want to squeeze the heck out of it. First working kind of gently so it doesn't spill everywhere, and you're just kind of getting all the liquid separated from the fiber. Now you can keep the fiber, some people do keep the fiber and make crackers out of it in the dehydrator, like a raw type of cracker. There's plenty of recipes if you Google, recipes for raw almond meal crackers, and you can just substitute the pumpkin seed meal fiber, or you can compost it. Now pumpkin seed milk will not be as naturally white as nut milks, but it's kind of a funky, fun little pistachio color. And the nice benefit of the pumpkin seed milk is you're getting lots of zinc. And zinc is great for your skin, it's great for men's health, great for your digestion as well. That's just a nice change from all the nut milks. And so this is what you'll be left with as far as the pumpkin seed pulp. It should be pretty dry and crumbly. That's how you know you've gotten all the liquid out of it. And then you've got your own homemade, easy to make, and economical pumpkin seed milk. Now I'm going to show you how to make nut milk. So now we're doing the exact same thing with the hazelnuts, or like I said, you can use almonds. With the almonds, you just want to soak them overnight and remove the skins. With the hazelnuts, you don't really have to remove the skins if you don't want to. So this is 1/2 cup of hazelnuts with the 1 cup of soak water, adding an additional 1/2 cup of water. And just like we did with the seed milk, we're going to blend away for a couple of minutes. And it's the same process where we have our nut milk bag draped over our plastic container. We pour in the blended nut milk. This is actually a fun job for kids to do. They really like milking the nut milk bag. You can use walnuts this way, pecans, hazelnuts, and as far as seeds go, you can use sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. And if you're allergic to nuts and seeds, I can create another video that shows you how to make oat milk. So wasn't that so easy to make your own nut milk or seed milk? It's fun to make, it's easy, and it saves money. So wasn't that easy? Now that you know how simple it is to make your own dairy-free milk using nutritious pumpkin seeds, I hope you'll try it yourself. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Happy milk making!